We'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We remain in negative MACD and appears to be approaching to positive MACD territory, or slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and at oversold condition with the RSI. With the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD and we did see it diverge, and we're approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $38.25, my sell target is at $43.47, and my stop loss is at $36.89. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $45.71. My sell target is at $39.74, and my stop loss is at $48.14. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 9%. And to the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9%, and a 10% chance to fall between negative 9 to negative 18%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.